the big thing that I've been concentrating on this past week, besides those few little things that I've shown there, is our Google Sync. I'm 99.9% done. I've been testing all day this morning and working through just making sure things don't duplicate or whatever. I went through. So if I come in here to, and you guys don't have this yet, I don't think. If you do, don't use it yet. But if you go into integrations and go into Google, I think it should say on everybody's, it should say coming soon or something like that. I do have this set up, and right now I've got turned off because I didn't want it doing anything while we were going through the process, but of showing all the updates and stuff, because I'm finalizing through a bunch of tests. But I did change it so that for my tests, I was checking, okay, I only want to sync contacts that have a certain tag. In this case, buyer. If they have a buyer tag, then I'm syncing, and I was set for two-way sync. One thing that I did is, so it's less confusing. Last week I was kind of showing this, and it said something about sync all contacts right here. Sync. It did say sync all contacts, Google to Sam or Sam to Google. And what I've done is I've changed it so that whatever you have up here is what will show here. So if I am going to do all contacts, then it will say sync all contacts. Otherwise, if it's, sync all agents, whatever, just so it's less confusing, because it was saying all contacts and it's not all contacts if you're doing it within a certain tag. So that is that will be coming. I may do it tonight or tomorrow. This weekend, I am headed back to my folks' area. We're still dealing with tornado challenges, so I may wait till we get back, depending on how I feel, how comfortable I feel with the update. But Google is looking very, very good finally. So